Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 90 word per minute speed. CEO who ran Ponzi scheme can be punished under NAB law. Apex Court. Islamabad Jabal Dot. The Supreme Court has held that the Companies Act 2016 and Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan SECP over Act 1997 do not take precedence over the National Accountability Ordinance NAO over unless the offences of cheating or dishonesty inducing public at large are also punishable under these acts. The observation came while the court was deciding a bail plea of Saifur Rahman Khan, Chief Executive Officer CEO over of the B4U investment company that, according to NAB findings, had deprived private individual of around rupees 10.86 billion. A three-judge Supreme Court bench headed by Chief Justice Umar Ata Bandial and consisting of Justice Syed Mansoor Ali Shah and Justice Muhammad Ali Mazhar withdrew the interim bail earlier granted to the petitioner on August 13, 2021. The very next day, National Accountability Bureau NAB over authorities had, in dramatic fashion, whisked away the accused from the parking lot of the Apex Court in the Bureau Vehicles. Saifur Rahman is facing allegations of using the business name of B4U Global, which was later changed to SR Group during the course of the inquiry being conducted by NAB. He allegedly induced and lured the general public and investors through advertising and social media platform to invest money in B4U Global by promising them unrealistic profit of 7 to 20% per month equivalent to 84 to 2040% per year. NAB claimed that the lucrative return on investment promised by B4U Global was in fact in Ponzi or pyramid scheme meant to defraud and cheat the public at large and deprive them of their money. The general public was enticed by Ponzi scheme of the petitioner who deposited the money into different continued on page 11 full stop.